Hey there, holiday enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the festive season while still staying true to your low-carb lifestyle? Well, today, we've got something special for you, the Low-Carb Holiday Cookbook Bundle. But before we get into the mouth-watering holiday goodness, let's talk about the foundation, the low-carb lifestyle. It's not just about shedding those extra pounds. It's about improved blood sugar control, increased energy levels, and so much more. And guess what? It's perfect for those managing diabetes or aiming for a healthier weight. Now, we all know that the holiday season can sometimes lead us to overindulge in carb-laden dishes and sugary treats. And that's okay once in a while, but it can leave us feeling sluggish and guilty. So what's the solution? Behold the Low-Carb Holiday Cookbook Bundle. This fantastic collection includes 3 essential components to make your holidays healthier and more enjoyable. It's your ticket to guilt-free versions of your favorite holiday classics. Think roasted turkey with low-carb stuffing and creamy cauliflower mashed potatoes. Keto-Friendly Desserts, your sweet tooth's best friend. We're talking pumpkin spice cheesecake and peppermint chocolate truffles, all keto-friendly. Holiday Entertaining Guide. Hosting a low-carb holiday gathering is a breeze with this guide. From low-carb appetizers to delicious cocktails, we've got you covered. Now, let's talk about the benefits. With these recipes, you can enjoy your holiday meals without guilt. You'll stay on track with your dietary goals. And the best part, these recipes are as delicious as they are healthy. You won't feel like you're missing out on any holiday flavors. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from people who've embraced the low-carb holiday cookbook bundle and experienced a guilt-free holiday season like never before. So, this holiday season, say goodbye to carb-induced guilt and hello to a festive season filled with delicious, low-carb delights. Whether you're new to the low-carb lifestyle or a seasoned pro, this bundle is your secret weapon for a healthier, happier holiday season. You can get your hands on the Low-Carb Holiday Cookbook Bundle today and unwrap the gift of a guilt-free holiday season. Click the link in the description below and get ready to savor every bite of your favorite holiday dishes without compromising your health goals. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fantastic content. And most importantly, have a happy, healthy, and delicious holiday season.